circle, rectangle, rectangle. Stars and diamond, stars and diamond. Our triangle, our triangle. Square and circle, square and circle. Rectangle, rectangle. Stars and diamond, stars and diamond. Our triangle, our triangle.
Hi everyone. How do you feel today? Oh great! It's the time to learn mathematics. Do you like to learn mathematics? Yes. Do you remember our last lesson? We learned forward counting 11 to 20 and backward counting 20 to 11. Today we are going to learn again all about shapes, star and diamond. So far we learned circle, triangle, rectangle and square. Today we are going to learn star and diamond. First I am going to draw a star on the board. Listen carefully. Look at the bird. It's little bit difficult to draw the star. So listen carefully and look at the board. First we will I'll keep a dot over here and we'll make a sleeping line, or else we can say a horizontal line to the left side. Stop it. And we'll make a slanting line and it goes to the top. Stop it and we'll make a standing line and it comes down. Then we'll make another slanting line. We will cross these two lines and go up. Now we will join this end to the first dot. One more time I will draw. I'll keep a dot, sleeping line or else horizontal line. Yes, stop it and we'll make a slanting line. It goes up and standing line and it goes down. Stop it and again slanting line. Cross it and go, and we'll join these two lines. This end to the first dot. See, star has 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you remember the song about star?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing sun has gone, when nothing shines above, then you show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle all the night. twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
See? 5 corners and 5 points. Some children, they are drawing the star like this. We'll draw a one triangle like this, and the other triangle we'll make like this. Is this right? See, in this star, there are 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this one has only 5 points and 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This star has 6 points and 6 corners. This star has 5 points and 5 corners. So, this is the correct star. This is the correct star. Now, I am going to sing a song about star. I'm a star, in the sky so far. I have 5 pointy arms. I'm a star, One more time. I'm a star, in the sky so far. I have 5 pointy arms. I'm a star, Actually, the star we can see in the sky. Real stars we can see in the sky. It's very shiny and bright. Now, let's see where we can see the stars. When you are doing good things at school, your teacher will give the stars to your hand. And you are doing good work, neat work, the teacher will give stars on your books. If you are a bright child, you will become star child in the class. Star is very precious shape. So that's why the teacher is nominated you as a star student. When you go into the hotels, we can see some stars. We are categorized the hotels giving by stars. There are 5-star hotels, 3-star hotels. If it is a luxury hotel, we'll give a 7-star. Now you know star is really precious shape. And we all love to see the stars in the sky at night. Now you know how to draw the star and the song about star and where we can see the stars. Let's take a short break and we will learn the shape about what is our next shape? Diamond. We learn about diamond. Now we are going to learn all about diamond. The shape diamond. First I am going to draw a diamond on the board. I'll keep a dot here and slanting line. Again one more slanting line coming here. And these 2 slanting line again join like this. One more time. two slanting lines up, and these two slanting lines will join to the end. Diamond shape, we can see four slanting lines and four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will show you an original diamond to you. When you draw on the board, we draw the diamond like this. Right? If we draw like this, this shape we call as rhombus. Diamond shape always we draw like this. Now we are going to sing a song about diamond. 1, 2, 3, start. I'm a diamond, diamond, diamond. You can see me on the ring. I'm very shiny and so bright. I'm a diamond, diamond, diamond. One more time. I'm a diamond, diamond, diamond. You can see me on the ring. I'm so shiny and so bright. I'm a diamond, diamond, diamond. Diamond shape. It's so shiny and bright. Actually, the diamond is a precious stone. We use diamond to make necklaces and rings. Also, we can make earrings. Now, let's see what are the examples we can see for diamond, shaped diamond. Number 1, do you all know most of the kites we are making diamond shape? Number 2, earrings. Some earrings also we can see diamond shape. Some pendant. We use pendant for necklaces. Pendants also we can see diamond shape. Do you know the signboards on the road? Some signboards also diamond shape. Some sweets we cut in diamond shape. When we make some sweets, we can cut in the diamond shape. Some fishes also we can see diamond shape. Now you know how to draw the diamond shape and the song about the diamond shape and what are the real life examples for diamond shape. Now it's the time to do the hands-on activities. Are you ready? Are you ready to do the hands-on activities? Today I am going to use fine salt for this activity. First we have to level the salt like this. Yes, it's done. I will show you how to draw a star on the salt tray. First, a horizontal line and go up, slanting line, come down, a standing line. Now I will cross like this and join these two. One more time. A horizontal line, stop it. A slanting line, stop it. Go down cross it. Enjoy. Now I will show you how to draw a diamond. It's very easy. Slanting two lines up and join these two lines down. It's so easy. One more time. One more time. Two slanting lines. Yes. Now you know how to draw diamond and the star on the salt tray. Instead of salt, you can use squishy bags, Play-Doh, clay, semolina, many things. My next lesson is all about numbers 11 to 15. I hope you really enjoy my session. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.